Robin from Bernina Taringa. I'm just going to show you your wonderful feature that you've got on the L460. You have a fantastic extended knee control, and also you have the Bernina Foot Control. So what this means to you is when you're sewing along, you can tap the foot control and put your needle down and rearrange your sewing so that nothing is going to move because your needle is down, which is amazing. And you also have the ability to come down here and you're finished on the bottom there. You lift your work and you can turn using your knee control and it lifts your foot up and down. And then you can continue sewing. You can come down, you can stop, you can lift, you can turn your work, and you can keep sewing. Absolute brilliant feature. So that's the Bernina L460 with the knee control and the needle stop down function on the Bernina Foot Control. Isn't that wonderful? I can do one stitch at a time. Absolutely fantastic. And it's not that I'm biased, possibly not that I'm biased, but I have been doing this for about 41 years and it's probably the best overlocker Bernina's ever produced. Have a good day. Have fun sewing.